In his presentation on research ethics, Director, Animal House and Laboratory Services, Igbinedion University, Okada, Professor Peter Aziba said, while ethical principles such as respect for clients and their welfare is key, its violation can attract litigation. Director, Exchange and Linkages, Igbinedion University, Okada, Professor Nnamdi Nwodu, who spoke on exchange and linkages in research and development, harped on the need for knowledge generated from the institution to be beneficial to the society.
Your professor was to find us in this school. It's very proper and fitting that we have this summit to reactivate our research.
Last day of the summit featured presentations on different sub-themes of the summit by team leads of 11 out of 15 research hubs in the university. Team leader of the economics group, who is also the Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Deborah Odejimi, presented the group's paper on climate change, economic development and the SDGs. Her sub-themes were on contemporary issue of migration, climate, gender and socio-economic implications, health and productivity. Other team leaders also made presentations on sociology and population health. They spoke on design and manufacturing of a pilot evaporative cooling machine for tomatoes processing and preservation. The findings are aimed at addressing post-harvest losses. The presentation by the law group centered on managing COVID-19 through air pollution control laws. Political Science Hub, International Relations and Strategic Studies, Pharmacy, Computer Science and College of Engineering also made presentations.
Disinfect your drinking water sources to prevent growth of diseases and also to help yourself.
The aspect that has to do with election, we have also published, we carried out research on that, and we have published the Humanity and Social Science Review, International Journal of Social Science in London.
Between here and the express, you are going to see all kinds of weapons. You know, when people will whether with uniform or without uniform, that is not supposed to be, because the state has a monopoly of power.
We have also carried out the above activities on this plant by doing bio-activity guided assays and looking at the active ingredients responsible for these effects. We also evaluated the safety assessment of this plant.
The Vice-Chancellor, Igbinedion University, Okada, Professor Lawrence Ikechukwu, represented by the Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Dejimi, Dean of Postgraduate Studies, Professor Tonye Okore, and Director, Exchange and Linkages, Igbinedion University, Okada, Professor Nnamdi Nwodu, said the institution will harness the benefits of the summit for development.
We have about 11 hubs. They did their presentations and proposals. So going forward, every team we're now going to develop into full-blown research.
The university will capitalize by collaborating with the different people that came. The university will leverage on them as our external supervisors for our research.
We'll make recommendations on what should be done. Some of them will be sent out for publication, then there will be internal publication. And with the outcome of some of these researches, we will initiate linkages.
A communique on resolutions from the various presentations is expected to be published in local and international journals. Kingsley Uchegbu reporting.